Ungqongqoshe wezokubusa ngokubambisana nendaba zomdabu esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal umfundisi uThula Sizwe Buthelezi uhlangeneke nebandla lamaweseli endaweni iyasothongathe nobe kuyinhloso enkulu ukuthi kwenziwe isiqinisekiso sokuthi ke indawo ezingamabandla kuba zindawo eziziphephelo zomphakathi ngakho benza konke okusemandleni ukuthi ke lezi indawo zithuthukiswe ikakhulukazi ke ngengqalasizinda nangezakhiwo okuyizona ke ezizoholela ekutheni zikwazi ukuthi ke noma amabandla ekwazi ukuthi ke enze kahle ke umsebenzi wawo okulekelela ke umphakathi. Ungqongqoshe ke ubehamba ke nongqongqoshe wezokuthutha nokuhlaliswa kwabantu esifundazweni sakwaZulu-Natal umhlonishwa uSiboniso Duma abatheke bakwazi ukuthi ke bethole ithuba osuna namhlanje ukuthi bekhulumisane ke nomphakathi obuyingxenye yalolu hlelo ikakhulukazi ke abazalwane. Inkulumo yabo ke ibigxile kakhulu kwezenkolo nasemazweni ke avuselelayo kepha siyobathola uma ngabe sithi ke abakhulume.
Let me read from the Second Chronicles, the book of Second Chronicles, chapter 20, just 4 verses, verse 5 and 6, verse 9 and verse 12. Because of time, we will read the story at home. Second Chronicles 20, from verse 1 to 18, but I'll just take 4 verses. And unfortunately, I have a Zulu Bible, so I will read in Zulu and then sit down. uJehoshaphat wema ebandleni lakwaJuda nelaseJerusalema endlini kaSimakade phambi kwegceke Elisha wathi Simakade uNkulunkulu wokhokho bethu kanti wena awusiye yini uNkulunkulu ezulwini nombusi wembuso yonke yezizwe na esandleni sakho kukhona amandla negunya akekho ongamelana nawe. Verse 9 uma sehlelwa ngokubi inkemba ukwehlulelwa ubhubhane nendlala siyakuma phambi kwalendlu naphambi kwakho ngokuba igama lakho likulendlu sikhale kuwe ekuhluphekeni kwethu wena uyakusiza usindise. Verse 12 ngokuba thina asinawo amandla okubhekana nalesi sixuku esikhulu kangaka esizayo futhi asazi ukuthi sizokwenza njani kodwa amehlo ethu abheke kuwe. Ngizosho njalo bandla laseweseli ekuseni ukuthi le project eniyiqalayo aninawo amandla okuyenza ngokwenu ngoba njalo uma uNkulunkulu ezovusa umsebenzi wakhe kuhlangana izitha nezingazwani bese ziyazwana kulo mzuzu ukuze zizomelana necebo likaNkulunkulu. Ngakho ke uma umanyano lucabanga ukuthi lunamandla ukwenza le project ngizothi namhlanje alinawo amandla. 2 aninalo ulwazi lokuthi le project nizoyimisa kanjani. Kodwa iyodwa into engizoyisho namhlanje kuseni esizoyimemezela kuleli bandla ukuthi kukho konke ukungazi kwenu nakukho konke ukungabi namandla enu amehlo ena walamathele uNkulunkulu. God would not have pre-arranged and preordained that the sites that you bought from Tongaat Hewlett, on such a day, the owners of Tongaat Hewlett are here. Because Tongaat Hewlett is now under a new ownership. And over the past 12 months in this community, they've put in more than 1.4 billion rand. But this center is going to be the center of this community. And therefore it is not a coincidence that the sites that you bought from Tongaat Hewlett, today the leadership of Tongaat Hewlett is here to ensure that this site becomes what God has ordained it to be. Ngamanye amazwi, le center is not for the benefit of the Methodist Church, but is for the benefit of the people of KwaZulu-Natal. And that is why MEC Duma is here representing government. Because where the church is, that is where the people are. And because this is a government that cares about the people, that is why our MEC is here. To ensure that what God has ordained becomes a reality.
Bishop Mandindi, I'm sure you've seen, if you are checking, in some instances, probably in the entire Africa, the mainland churches, there were churches that were built and developed during the apartheid regime. Some have closed shop. So it means there's something with faith, yeah, John Wesley, ayenzayo, if Lilibanda sends a center that are the centers of hope in the 21st century. So there is something, a critical strategy. So we agree that it must be utilized. And if I had a church I was going to elevate, God in the Genesis verse is telling Abraham that the sins of the Amorite does not yet warrant their destruction. So you'll be going to the foreign land, but when it's the right time, I will then give you this land. The land is called Israel or the Canaan. So the issue of land will remain a pinnacle of why. I'm sure by now we all understand in law there is something they call domicile sedanda. So you can't even be given a platform or you can't have paid if ungenayo a physical address that you belong to. Probably we can't trace you. So even the local stand, why you are talking, how to qualify, and all those things remains another issue. So we are glad that we must also, and we are going to contribute towards this big vision. The environment that we are currently in does not allow Shenge and I to go into deeper details, because you might have ears that are not circumcised, that are listening. If I were to say I'm going to do 1, 2, and 3, that might work against me in the distant future. So it's better I understand the concept where Jesus Christ taught in the book of Matthew that what left is doing must be ideologically understood by left, not be shaped by right. So it is those things, but kuyowaziwa futhi kuyobhalwa eBhayibhelini ukuthi sasikhona futhi senza something kuyoswakala nje. So noma ngaba sikushoba kodwa kuyowaziwa. Wena wabona la abafana abathathu bamaHebheru seqokiwe kwavunyelwana ukuthi from now onward uNebukadnezar uthi akukhoswe lesithixo. Bathi bona siyayizwa lo ndaba, we are not going to do it. Yabuza bathembeni bathi our God will intervene and do some miracles. Kodwa uma kungenzeka uNkulunkulu esikhohliwe ngasindisi, kuyokwaziwa ukuthi sasa. Kuyokwaziwa kwafika abafana abavele ba reject isystem benza ngendlela ehlukile. So ukwenza komsebenzi onje would want to partake in this journey. It is amongst those critical things. Njengamanje in our country, the issue of poverty, the issue of unemployment, the issue of inequality remains something that must be addressed, and the church is the center. See, understand ukuthi uNkulunkulu oyosenzela umangaliso ukuthi udaba lethu luzwakale kahle, lihambe kahle. Ayikho inkosi eyakuba successful ingenaye umpriest eduzane, inkosi embusisi.
Okhulumayo Mrs. Pulani Mandindi, District President woMama Natal Coastal District. Namhlanje sihlele umcimbi sila eThongathi Civic Hall, la sihlele umcimbi khona woku fundraiser towards a multi-purpose center esendaweni yaseSibhodo. Isizathu nenhloso yokuthi sifuna ukwakha le center ingoba sinemicimbi eminingi egcina idalela ukuthi kancane kube khona nezinto siqashayo. Ngakho siyafisa ukuthi sibe nento yethu yebandla, futhi engeke izisize ibandla lodwa, kodwa izosiza nomphakathi waseThongathi nabo bonke abanye abantu. Siseyinhlelweni ke sokuthi siqale lombingazo ukuthi isakhiwo masiqale. Inhloso ke yalomcimbi ukuthi wonke umuntu ofisayo ukuba ingxenye yokulekelela nanoma yini ukwenzela ukuthi lesi sifiso sethu siwumama balesi sifunda sibe yimpumelela, singajabula kakhulu.
Mbukeli ke ngaphambi ukuthi siliphethe ke uhlelo siyafisa ukuthi siliphethe ngokuthi isikhulume naye ke uNgqongqoshe uButhelezi nokuyilapho ke ezobe silandisa ukuthi kungani umnyango ungena ngomkhono nesiphanga enhlelweni ke ezisuke zithuthukisa ke umphakathi. Siyomthola uma ngabe sithi ke abakhulume.
Silapha namhlanje njengomnyango wakwaCocta ukuzohlanganyela nebandla lamaweseli njengoba bezoqalisa isakhiwo esisha okuyi-community center ezolekelela hayi kuphela ibandla lamaweseli kodwa okuzoba isikhungo somphakathi wonke waKwaZulu Natal. Siboneke kusemqoka ukuthi sifike njengomnyango wakwaCocta ngoba iqhaza elibanjwa yibandla emphakathini, iqhaza esingeke sakwazi ukulibonga ngokwanele. Ibandla liqoqa izintandane, ibandla lifundisa izingane ezihlwempu, ibandla ikakhulukazi lakha isimilo phakathi kwabantu. Ngakho ke ukuba khona kwalolu suku lapho kuzoqoshwa khona lesi sikhungo esisha somanyano, sibone ukuthi thina njengomnyango asibe ingxenye ukuze senze leli phupho ukuthi liphumelele, ukuze abantu bonke bakwaZulu Natal bakwazi ukuhlomula ngalo.
Mzwakwethu ke sekushaye sona ke leso sikhathi ukuthi siliguqise uhlelo. Sibonge kakhulu ukuthi ube ingxenye yalo ukusukela ekuqaleni kuze kushaye lesi sikhathi. Igama lami nguphiwe ngokwaMthembu, uhlelo abakhulume. Ngivumeleni ngiguqe siguqeni sonke siyothi sukuma kube kusoluzayo. Inkosi inibusise.